Apacer has just introduced CoreRescue, which features ASR, or Auto Self-Recovery. This technology minimizes downtime for devices that just can't afford to stop working, such as healthcare computers. In just seconds, it automatically recovers drives that failed to boot successfully. No on-scene technician is required, cutting operating costs. Here's how it works. The admin must double-click the CoreRescue icon and run a manual backup to enable the technology. Then they'll need to input a number from 2 to 5 into Set Boot Not Complete. Let's assume this was set to 3. Over the next few weeks, CoreRescue will monitor how long it takes for an average boot to complete after a power cycle. It will eventually learn how long an average boot takes. Then, if there are 3 consecutive boots that take significantly longer than average, CoreRescue will run the auto self-recovery process. That will mean that the next boot restores the system and the backed up data, and the boot will complete normally. It's as simple as that. Healthcare professionals know that if just one device malfunctions before a surgery, it can lead to rescheduling nightmares and lost income. CoreRescue will keep devices up and running when they need to be. To learn more, contact your Apacer representative.